What's up, Speak My Mind family? Boy, me I tell you, things gone wrong over Larry the Lizard Camp, she and her speaker. Things gone wrong, boy. Boy. Life start off smooth, cussing out Donna. Question Donna legitimacy of business into America and she paying tax. The whole mass situation and one bag of sitting and the life starts smooth. And all of a sudden, she got talk about Tina, that the Larry the Lizard got talk about Tina and the baking and she a bun out Tina, you know. So Tina feel low Donna and she a side with Donna for the baking in the kitchen. Because she said that is Donna honey spread. But at the same time now after saying that, she a beat down Donna now with the whole mass situation and the whole tax business where Donna says she a pay tax and how much money in America. Why she a bake her yard, how much, and one bag of sit. And the baby shot him go call in and him go say for him 2 cents and 3 cents. But the same boy of England, we a big friend from them. If you ever hear them over there chat him, say them never see him get a chupa chat yet. And at 13 and 15, somebody are watch him and then chat him. The same one on the year apologize to them. And Lord Jesus Christ, me have to go put on my full black. See the people, full black, all my shorts black. See that? All my shorts black. This a video you couldn't do in a different color. The speaker, me shit Racha, she go come in at some point of the life. Because she feel like say she fi come out come Bantan Donna. And the Bantan she come fi Bantan Donna, she go use Tina for example. Lord Jesus, Papa Jesus, hell broke loose over Lorraine. Lorraine get mad. I wanna curly me see them the situation they sometimes like show if you have a nervous breakdown. When me shit Bracha the speaker come and start talk about Tina and not like she say she give Tina praise over Donna and one bag of sitting. Jesus Christ. Whoa. Every year turn up in a Lorraine kin. Lorraine look like she start PL herself up. Because she never like what the speaker say. She never like one bit what the speaker say. And the speaker chigga Lorraine for chat and chatter. She a try calm Lorraine not cha. Nah stay calm. She a cha iron. People, who do. Me no know whole part. Me have to cut out all part of the video when me did want bring come because the part that is sweeter. So me cut out part of the first part where she a try talk about Spice and Donna. See there, all them do. Cause see them come out and talk about Spice. And them come out and talk about Rosalie. But see the little 14-year-old, which I agree with that, yes. But she come out now and I said, Spice them at this and Spice them at that, but them come out and talk. Spice is just like Donna. Cause all them do, them just come and take out a little piece of the Bible and come out here, come put it out here and go on like them God fearing and God is with them. And but yet still them a do this and them a do that. And she talk. So me have to cut out the whole of that part because that part they not sweet like the last part, yeah. Me I tell you no. So here what you do. You just do the do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend and hit the thumbs up on the video. And please to watch the ads. Please to watch the ads. That's what encourage me to can sit down and go to them here sitting here. Because at the end of the day, when YouTube send $1 come give me, me can't take $1 make up and give somebody we in a need and want little food. So now watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV, and favorite Life is a Mission TV. And uno ask it, you know, and uno get it. The cash app is in the comment section pin. $ charms and trends. When uno give me, I take the gift and give back to the needy. Not even the water when I tell you say if you send the gift come and that me buy and drink because guess what me know? Me no drink alcohol and me no smoke. Just me water and me snow mint and juice. You understand? And you can't raise up on dry throat. So you have to have little water for sip at times. And not even that. See there? Last month, this month give back the video post. You can't see it. I told somebody I told you one me see so far, the next one I come and I do one space in my phone as me tell you. So I just complete the video with a cook vlog what I do. You understand? Nobody comes on board, but I still go out and do it because that's my commitment. Alright? And Simone and all the people who might be were tuning to cripple and stuff like that and not seeing cripple anymore. No, do not get jumpy and a passing pass. I send and get some information, you know, and I got to hear that him get some cut. What never clear to me if it was a medical or an accident. I don't know if it's a surgery or an accident. You understand? But after get that, it's like them find a home and put him in a. So that's the latest me hear because I was continuing to try and find out what is going on with Cripple because I still no see him. And as I say, I no see him from Christmas week when I last see him the first day when he never seems to look well. And the second day, I go back up there and he was there, still never look that jovial person when I know him as. And from that, I no see him up until today. But I was trying to keep in touch to get people to get some information for me. But I finally get somebody who pass on that little bit of information. As I said, it's still not clear if it was a surgery or an accident, but them say like them find a home and put him in. So that is crippled for now. I don't know how true it is. So Nicole and all the people who did ask, yes. Anyway, back to what I say. So when you give me usually give back to the needy. And remember, see the merge, this is like my work merge. Yeah, this is not the sport type merge. You notice like how you have your name of your company on the side, that's up on your left breast or your right breast, anywhere you want to put it. Yeah, the caps are out, the t-shirts are out. You understand? Just check out the website of charmsandtrend.shop. And you can go on the Instagram page, charm_and_trends and Instagram. Anything you see over there, get it customized. Anything you see over there, it can become that Speak My Mind merge. The good thing about shopping the Charms and Trend, you have the privilege to request what you want, customize. The Speak My Mind merge, you know you will have to get the Life is a Mission or the Speak My Mind. Anything else you want, and if you name anything else, you can get that. Right? And if you see anything on the site that you want, right away without customize, you can just go straight to the website, charmsandtrend.shop. Alright? Anyway, that video is long, people. I don't want to do no more chatting. I'm probably in the last part, I'm going to do less dissecting. I'll be laughing and I'm going to hear me laughing. But you know, just listen to the first part. I could build the momentum. Build it, because I cut out a whole heap when I did want to bring come to, you know. Just accommodate the last part, yeah. Because, boy, if me never tap, boy, the video that run like a feed them video, me I play right over. So I could get in. Win or blow, very strong win, so now listen up.
Bless people. And everything you get, God bless you. Some things you get it through curse. God just allow it to happen. Because I know I'm going to strip
Donna
you
case, she depends on when she mix spice, you know, but I cut out some
Donna is a perfect example.
Right, you hear? Donna is a perfect example.
Where is Donna today? Only sister Donna look like she is a start life. That remind me like when me just come a foreign and a start life.
You're not going to drop down, man. No worry, man.
Remember Donna come here as a billionaire, you know, the phone I go there, they look like me.
You no can't read January, people. We will do things to go to things to talk. Yeah, so January people still, we're going to things to talk. And then we just come and whip them, whip them. Yeah, man, I'm surprised when I'm going to heart attack and brain hemorrhage. Send up on my blood pressure.
Looking for Donna life, that's start of your call that.
You're worried about somebody who will better after you.
Right? When I bash nobody will be in a house. Because you see your Tina come here. And I want you let go Donna shirt with Donna baking in the house. Leave her she baking.
Speaker say, when Larry the Lizard get mad Lorraine, who don't know who is Larry the Lizard, she is Larry the Lizard, Lorraine. When she get mad after Speaker say what she said, Speaker try calm her down and say, no, but if you never put it in the title or the topic or whatsoever, I want to come and say nothing. And if you find out say it is going to hurt you so much, why speak about her? At them time that she make Larry the Lizard get ignorant. Them time that she make Larry get ignorant. What me say? You know what? I want to listen.
You have problem baking with people baking at you. Think how you send inspector come at me yard? True, you know hear me talk? Leave Donna back she baking a roast, but baking a for you. And the problem you have is to deliver your cake. And that's your stagnancy, you know. Is take people money and don't deliver. Leave Donna back she baking a roast. And Donna want me a yard, Katina go send them. She send them at my yard. She want.
I already said that already. I'm say it even before Tina come out with the video I want to see me do. Said Donna have to be careful. And if she go do any, from me see Donna start by the thing them like she go bake, it run in my head and I say it in her live, a video when me do. So Donna have to be careful and make sure her thing up, which me know she always make sure she have her thing up because Uno make she always try to dip on the right side. And that is why she got hard to get entangled. Because she always a double check, triple check, 60 check, all kind of check. It's just that America is far different from Jamaica. And some simple little things you have laws and class for. Some you don't want to know she dip on her P and her Q like when she that there to even 200%. You understand? But what me I say is that this kind of show me a sort of way that Lorraine despises Tina in a way where if she have a choice to choose one. Remember, after she was also affiliated with Tina, or Tina affiliated to she and Donna never affiliated no time at all. If there's a happenings where she have to choose between one, Tina just get left. Because after how she behave, with what she say yes so, defending Donna baking in her kitchen. Say, I know that she a defender the scamming and oh Donna life come right back down. You understand? To nothing because America show her up. Which you don't know the woman plans, you don't know the woman business, woman not come out come say nothing. So you don't have all right to say what you want to say and speculate. But you too quick for jump and speculate when the woman just the America for over 6 months and they will spend 6 full months into America. She don't spend 6 full months into America because she have been to Jamaica twice. And you expect so much from her when you did it all long, you know the rules and the laws and regulation and what qualification this and qualification that way you're supposed to have before you can do certain things. And you come out of chat. So you jump the gun too fast. And because of that, you go shame in the long run. You already lizard will come out and see me at chat and I still pick up Donna baking in her kitchen and I go against Tina because what Tina have done to you personally with your family as according to what you ever say in the video, which we all know when it happened, with the little boy and she sent police to your yard and Ray says she have bacon Ray. You understand? But when me I say you two jump, quick to jump it and you not go shame. Donna is going to shame you know. And that you not run from me now. You don't want to see house, you know. I don't talk about Donna should have house and how Donna rent house. You just get her easy now yourself now if you say I rent she pay. But you know say definitely probably she couldn't come and just buy a house so no care how much money she have. Because certain procedure and protocol have to follow. You understand? So all you know a chat, you know what is what you know. You just a chat because you don't want feel like you don't want to show her up and certain things she might say. You know use it and twist it how you don't want to twist it. But anyway, continue me say the video long and I don't know what chatting.
Send them to you. You know, say when it comes to scamming, that me lick down from you, nothing else. Scamming, they lick you down straight. Because you have to stop thieving people their money. Baking
and jail and prison, how you want to see she go? I know you can't send her, so what the evidence there? Yeah, you have to talk about people in high places and watch you.
God take you right down to
you can't follow everything you done and say so.
At 12 cake you have to put in her oven. So somebody asked Donna the question why she not buy a bigger house. And that show them I come for doing now. Why she not buy a bigger house and bigger oven?
Donna used to put in 12 cake, 6 cake, 5 cake into oven. That's how she start. When she have her little kitchen in her yard, I do what she do. Before business propelled to the level of where it is. And she said the demands right across the world, not in Jamaica, right across the world, the demand for our products, we only say nyam bad and no nyam good, took off. She stand up, sit down, lay down, drop asleep, cake, burn up cake, bake cake, that, and make her money. Put her money to good use. You understand? And rebuild our place. With a vision of creating a bigger space where she can call a home bakery. And that's exactly what she did. She got through the necessary procedures to get her things straight and organized. You understand? And after doing that, she start bake multiple amount of cakes because she have more oven. The facility bigger now. So Donna is used to baking 6 and 12 cakes. And what did you expect? Donna to come and bring in 3 industrial ovens to the people in them apartment? Wanna talk with sense and make things, but because of Donna, wanna just make it look like say, oh, she come from up here. At one point, you not talk about business. Oh, she be a cake. So if she run a clothes business, I say a jewel business. It's not a bakery business. So you're gonna say in this video, she should take the bakery, the baking go her business, please. It's a bakery. She tell us she open in America. She have business. She have all different type of business. You have online business, you have offline business, you have storefront business. You have all kind of business. She just never tell you know what kind of business. But in a phone head, she's supposed to have a storefront business. So if she even have a storefront business, selling clothes, selling jewelry or whatsoever, she will go down, they go bake because it's a bakery. Because of Donna only just chat all kind of things.
Yeah,
while she look bad, I don't want to bring her down.
She know they are not too much here. Right? But I know why the person said that in a Donna. Remember from 2019, you say your money not touching a foreign. It not come home. It's sit down in America. And beside that, you they have your business according to you in America. So why you not get the baking go there? So? Why the baking not got the business them? Why it in the war? Yes, it's a lie no good for tell Donna. I tell us America go expose you. And he tell us say when you come in.
Let's say Donna have an online business running into America. Where would she take the baking? Where would she take the baking? She have an online business running. Where would she take? Just saying, you know, where would she take the baking? That is the question me ask. I wanna say, where the business them there? Where she never take? Cause wanna give me 2 different reactions. It's like when I say she have business, so she should even come a foreign and bake 2 little cake in her house. One, you see, when you're used to something, it's hard to get out. Worse when you know say data will elevate it to a certain level. I said this already, there's a lot of people out there who wanna sip on the street sometime and sell them little wares. Them kids are millionaires. Trying to get them to stop, but them not stop. Because that's what them know. And the first thing them always tell the people them say, this is what me use in school, so you come and tell me to stop. This is what me know all my ears. What me fi come do? Sit down in a yard? Or where you gotta open up one shop give me? Where me not used to? No, me used to take up my things and go to a big chair Orange Street. Just as me use a woman as example when me know personally. Daughter there with millionaire. Daughter becomes millionaire. And the kid them try to take her off of the street, to Orange Street, out a big tree, so and sell a little zip and button. You mad? Take off what? You must be mad. And anytime you force them, you shorten them lifespan. Because you're going to put them now, go sit down and fret. You understand? Simple as that. So, when town now come out here, come justify certain things, man. You never stop talk and be off because true is Donna you know I talk about. You never look on the thing in general and stop making yourself being an idiot.
In America, it will open up like a clothespin. You remember when you saw woman open their foot like a clothespin? And that America do to you. America is opening you up like clothespin. And tell me you know. So evidently we pansy that's about the 7 business. You know what Donna do to these people? I beg you tell you already I know they think I drop me a bit. Donna, and this is when me tell speaker to I love your speaker to death. So you don't know.
You love speaker to death, but speaker come upstir your spirit in the last.
You understand? Donna,
Speaker make your blood vessel nearly burst.
to get anything done.
Your blood pressure nearly go up.
Donna get a Carol and a taxman write up a business like Sharon a business in America. Fraud, you know. Just
What are we all know how things can get done in America?
That when she
Remember,
live a
man, no
lavish
being farmer
life,
upon
let me
yourself.
take time talk. I will, them say when me make too nice with the gold
Mind you
guys,
being
them
farmer upon yourself, because you know
yeah,
much, sir.
some people will call me when me can't believe that them class, they listen to me. To blindfold, I bet me try to pronounce my word good too. A big class, I listen to Laura. Laura got a big place, so no even like no when me go. Walk on a different
Donna saying,
so
you know,
me
she a
can't go
master.
say no, we know. You have to come take time, break it down. Cause them say, boy, you break it down in a day. Get away, you know.
Lawyers and
so
doctors
forth,
and
but
judge.
higher class, I listen now.
Listening
So
for her.
why you tone it down again? We like how you go. So let me go down again. I bet me try to pronounce my words. All that them a teach me to, you know, for my pronunciation. On my ear, me I come with some word different now. Me I get through to repeat.
Pronunciation. So them a tutor you, are you still not pronouncing the word?
Donna,
I think a pronunciation, you also a pronunciation.
these business. So if you say don't have these business, of course it will bring it generate money. You have to use certain words. You understand? Because bigger class I listen.
Hey!
Of course it gonna
Donna
generate.
talk this, them take a run with it, you know. Just like
And
how
if it generate
Master
money,
take it
then
and
she
run
can
with it.
live a
So she
lavish
have all the
lifestyle.
people behind
'Cause
closed
she
door
get
watching her. Big people.
money coming in. But
Yo!
little and behold,
Donna a
is the charity
trendsetter,
money
man.
was doing that lavish lifestyle.
Donna a trendsetter
But what she
phone
do
up, so
now,
I always call her name.
blindfold you with a plaster. Donna Marigo and one of her kids have business in America. But for over the years, I keep on telling her how she have the business and they keep them still a go a people yard. Where is the tax appear? When you say me bad mind. Say the truth come here now.
We have so much good information I want to put down this woman now. You can't use the good information and make it come to perfection. Good use.
And now she not start pay tax because no, can't no go nowhere for tax pay. It's still that people yard that sell. Give me a minute. Rich. Oh, so Donna demonstrate to it now. So she just start pay tax. So what happened to the business them where they register? Weapons they expose. The tax never appear upon them. Then only really want Donna to catch somebody in a court.
You don't worry.
Should have glad said Donna still stay outside the wall.
Don't worry.
On a plank I should have glad
just
said
stay
Donna
and just
still
won't be happy.
Walking.
What is to come will come
someday.
someday.
Be the evidence against her, you know. Donna mouth be her one evidence against her.
And your phone about to go be phone sinking. Let tire and pound or sink.
So let me ask, where the business that they signify? All the tax a play, and I one thing me know about America, them not play with them tax. Uncle Sam not play with them tax. One day I going to show them my tax ID. When me come here November, the January me have tax ID. It's still in our...
When you run, we are seek asylum because of your mouth. You said that amount I go sink her. A company you a look. Because your mouth sink you. Where it costs all, you don't know where it costs. You know that brother sitting there? Cost. And costs are sitting there on her mouth. Yeah, God bless the mark and cross it off. That she have to run and seek asylum. She come out here and say if she didn't even get 1 day in America, them they say, boy, alright, I'm giving you a 1 day visa. Clang. That's all she wants. She just wants something can pass the port. Because she never planning to look back. You understand? She go come and tell you how she reach America. How she end up when she reach America with what she have and what she not have.
Still keep the shit where the girl they give me when we get put out. I still keep the orange bag where them pop me in when them put me out.
So 2 years more put in a problem if you go live all in the life they want Donna want to bring her down. We telling her how no want hear, man.
She not
don't worry.
She came here so come in no baby. She came here to go buy me one spoon and a fork and a cup. I still keep them with them.
Because the woman why you have your own utensils because she never trust you. Or you did look cranny, she never trust you. So she want you have your own utensil. Because you look so sickening. Just imagine how much years at America you still look sickening. Just imagine. Back then.
I still have that laundry bag.
And then the time that you go through a lot of stress. So just imagine how you look. So the woman must give you one utensils. Because you look sickening.
She give me one little floral sheet It's still in my closet. I saw me stay, my old school away there. There are things I want, laundry bag. I get put out in a, if you ask me where the suitcase there, I will tell you no lie, I don't know. I'd never see about that suitcase. Right?
So true that you
Come
don't want
on, with
everybody
9
come live
I
that type
never
of
see
life
them back
like you
like
know
that.
America.
Right? I saw me stay. My old school away there. My old school that way. Laura, I have to listen the live later. Big up yourself, don't worry yourself. I will this again. Some people want to listen to me. Me I say, hold on, when they call me a data, me I say, hold on, there, little me this. A little me, I hear
Just
them
the
voice
same
and
argument
some of
where
them,
Donna would
me
have used.
understand them.
Me can't
And
believe
them
say
this sound
a
understand,
little Donna go
listen,
this
yes, me understand when you
99
talk.
Mountain View Avenue. So much
Me
good
say,
and
okay.
decent, nice people, high
Me say,
class people
oh,
that
okay,
listen
we
to
not
me.
talk about
Same
the
words them I
business them.
use.
Well,
Donna a
that's what me go
trendsetter
break
phone
down for me
man.
speaker too.
And it's shame for come
Donna
out and
have
come talk.
connection in everything. Everything. There are things it cannot come out here, come talk. It will wipe and you think it dead and it wipe, Donna get it wipe. Donna have connection. Picture this. When Donna da foreign Jamaica, Donna says she have over 5 business in America. I know Donna can't go in a one. Me just see Donna run out of her daughter house. I run outside for talk and said the pitney the independent food. How embarrassing that look for a millionaire. A woman with
How embarrassing it is that you have your husband and every God Almighty night you 3, 4, 5 hours way back to the morning you have to go down to the basement because you don't want to disturb your husband when you should be disturbing your husband cock. You understand? Them hours a night there you should be disturbing your husband cock. Well, probably them say no life no night because it's stiff up at the head but soft in the middle. I don't know all that. But at them time of night, you should have disturbed your husband cock. But you gone down in a basement because you can't stay up there to disturb him with the foolish way you're going on food. You know, consider how that look. If the kids them dead there, you already see us the thing situate, you already know foreign stay. If the kids them are there watching them Super Bowl, not because as she are the mother, she are going to deprive the kids them of them fun. That's their fun. She and Fear Life is her fun speaking to Fear Planka Nation. So if the kids them in the room and watch Super Bowl or in the hall or in the whatsoever watch Super Bowl, because you know so them things there, you mainly are gonna watch them things there in a open space because you alone sit down and watch them things in a fun and enjoyment every night. Donna is not fond of that, probably she don't know nothing about it just like myself. Me don't know nothing about that the sport there. So me couldn't sit down and watch it. Donna go up on the balcony, go do her live. Because of the nights and the excitement. Because you know people will love certain sports, especially them sports that come like it carry excitement to people will know it like that. I don't have a problem with that. So you don't have a problem when you're supposed to open your bedroom and pay attention to your man cock. Instead of going down in your basement because you can't disturb your man. And go sit down on Donna name. Because 6.5 days out of the week you go down to the basement to do your life and Donna name you there. When you should have pay your man mind up there. You should have tried to figure a way out to make the stiffness transform from the top or the head go in at the middle. You understand? That you should have there, you know. And figure a way out how you get your husband stiffness to come from the head and transform in at the middle instead of the head stiff and in the middle soft. You understand? Because the head is just to get the entrance. But at most in the middle you have to do the work. So you need to work on that. You take the time and go down in a basement. Donna. Me never know so you're singing Sweet Sister. Oh Donna, you know I love you. Are you singing Sweet Sister? So you do a rendition of Donna. Oh.
a business. Should I go in our business store now? And I bake this so again. Me not have a problem where you bake. No problem coming out of your baking. Me just explain something about the business then. You want baking at your home, all right ahead. Me not have no problem with it. It not do nothing to me.
Remember now, you know, people, nowadays with technology increase, there's a lot of people have business that make millions of dollars. And it's not a physical structure them have. It's not a shop, a storefront them have. On them phone, online. So, I never know, so Donna they come out and describe what kind of business she have. So she have a store around there, so, and a shop around there, so, and this around there. So, we want to continue to talk about business.
You know why? That's your honest bread. I prefer you do that than scam people. So when it come to your honest bread, me no lick it down. Me no come out here come cuss you for that. You want bake in your house, all in your bedroom, as long as you bake it clean, we should not
say that now,
me hear you say you have a mask so much and the mask look dirty. You could have
Because
buy the
you are
3
baking in your
masks
kitchen.
$10. As a millionaire,
And because you know like
not
cleaner.
even a millionaire, you're doing business. Buy 3 masks $10, 1 cake get back. When it comes to business, you can't wait name there. You have to put in re-wearing that
We are stand up for what we want to stand up for. We are stand up for what we want to stand up for. She re-wearing the mask is nastiness. You never consider say when you're in the basement, they find Donna, your husband come down, come tell you about the whole of a dirty plate, nasty plate, them with the ginger fly them. Where maggot soon start follow. If it just take a couple more days, probably maggot farm because you don't know, so a fly cause maggot, you know. Them say the feces from the fly, that's what, like the egg that produce maggot. So just a couple more days, those plates would have earned a siege by maggot. You never see that as nastiness. Eh? When you spend hours on your phone in your basement, pan Donna name and people business. I wish kitchen you are baking now. Now the same nasty kitchen where all kind of ginger fly come from all boat, come pitch in and pitch out. And say I hello to your spoon and your fork and your plate them and your pot. Eh? Where we know I go on in your kitchen presently now when you are bake. Eh? Because if you're nasty, you're just nasty, you know, there's no excuse in nasty, you know. Once you're nasty, you're just nasty. There is no excuse in nasty. So not because you're going to say, okay, oh, I just took a plate that from the night before and you were lazy. You're lazy, but you never feel lazy for walk, go down to the basement and dip on phone. But you feel lazy for wash out the 2 plate then. So you want to see them 2 little plate there, and I like me nasty, you know, because when you see me out, you see me clean. No, sir. You put it on because you go out in the public to look clean. But behind closed door, if people ever come and see you, just like Rosalie. Or Rosalie a cuss out people on phone, or them dirty, them nasty, them this and what them do. Just recently me she a cuss the people them and I tell the people them say, oh I trick you know. You can't know my money, I don't know if me have money or not, me trick you know. Or someone that the girl if you go do. When you go watch, when you go clear on the throat back with all kind of things in her. And I just one day I see one video leak with fear mother have sitting down in a fear throat back. I don't know when me attack, I don't need me to go there. Just one day I see she, her mother, video release say her mother have sitting down in her throat back and she come out and she say, oh, my mother never treat me good. And my mother never this son, I go like that to go harm me and that to go do me nothing. My family them tell me say my mother they despise me, my mother never look for me, my mother never do this just to make herself feel comfortable. But as she come out and cuss people about things in them throat back. When your mother have the same thing in her throat back and she herself because it not exposed yet. Just like how her little dirty place exposed. And instead she on social media cuss people every day. I bring down people about nasty and nastiness. Come on, are you this now? All nastiness spelled the same way. So if you see Donna have on that mask, which me not see the video, but based on the mask on that is not a disposable mask. You understand? So that is a mask you can clean up. You understand? I didn't see it, but I want to describe it. I look upon it as not a disposable mask. But if she have a little butter, say for instance, now and again, little butter splash on her hand and she move the mask and it dip on the mask, that don't mean say the mask dirty. You know what Tony can't talk in a mask? Tina herself not put on none. Me never hear you cuss her about that. Even though you're not no friend like that, me never hear you cuss her about that and she never have on none yet. And when you look, you see spit a fly in a butter. You ever come and you talk about that? No. But you talk about the woman because she refused to buy 3 masks. It just on a $10 where she no see it, worth it, and she has stand her ground, so she not buy it. When I go say she a billionaire and millionaire, she should have buy it and she must watch it. All ladies always sing the song, say, oh, when me go shop me not ask about the price. When me go shop me not. Although she sing the song, so that is just a song. Enough time she go, she asks pricey things. And if it not suit her, whatsoever, she not buy it. So no come and talk about billionaire and millionaire. Go ahead.
That's nasty. You don't blow through, you don't talk through, you don't do everything.
You know what, if you put on hand on the mouth and talk, you don't feel bad. No phone if you put on hand on the mouth and talk, cover on the nose on the mouth and talk. You don't feel bad. You don't sick on your own stomach. Because the breath you don't smell, you never know so on the mouth and the breath think.
Less than $10. That can't block you. Your money tall up. You can't go there tell people say you have to wear about the same mask. Because you send an Amazon go buy
people
some.
forget things in a fork and give you in a spoon. That's how you don't have nothing, because you don't want to get things in a fork and give you in a spoon.
For me, I mean, I bash your cake. I just show you when nastiness coming out. Don't come back.
All nastiness is the same thing when you let your dirty plate them in your sink. The same kitchen where you are baking and now a ginger fly fall and swarm and have parade like when the US Army are graduate.
Target and say 3 masks less than $10. You should have picked up that. You come tell
the
people
amount of fly and ginger fly will be in your kitchen when your husband come call if you wash the dirty plate them. You seriously have some marine graduate. Or the Chinese battalion a march. You ever see Chinese them a march yet? I saw the ginger fly them in the kitchen.
This is money coming in and you can't buy 3 masks. So true that you have money from pocket them.
She said if she put on a mask and take it off, she cannot put on back that mask. You know the reason why? When it dip on your face, it's like you're immune to your bad thinking breath you have. So it just there, because you're immune, because it's there one place. But you see, once you remove it and the wind go blow in it and kind of dry the whole heap of saliva and sitting the way that and breath where that blow in it, and you have to put it on back, it will go sick your own stomach. And it now go look good. That's why you cannot put on back it. Come and tell the people them that when you go and smell it, you think. And you might sit down sometime and question yourself, nah, God, that's how my breath think, man. And my mouth and my breath think so. Yes, man. That's why you can't put it on back. Tell the people them that.
Anybody here do that? Who the here can wear back a mask when them wear it?
In a corona, enough of that me do.
Sometimes me come home, it full of masks and gloves.
In a corona, enough of that me do. Me say people that masks to look dirty. Because one of the main reasons, most of the people them never did that weird like judging it. Them just have them position because you know say anywhere you go, you have to have a mask to go in. So people used to just travel with all a mask full up in them back pocket dirty like how you don't have on a mask. Whosoever you go do business with, no business if the mask clean or dirty, they only want to know you have on a mask. So enough people used to have on dirty mask. Even though I know I come and I'll do him write it in his head. But write it enough to know what is what and where. You understand? When you look on them and the mask, dirty like the ground there so. And what do you say me have much mask in my place, me I go give him two. But then again, where a man love and stick to, you can't get him out of that. So I'm going to go give him the clean mask, them, and when you check a stock, you still see him in a dirty one. So I don't know what you're talking about. I say them people are lie, the woman has say. In one part of the video, the woman say, Donna say, she no wash for her drawers them until them pile up. When you go figure tell lie upon this woman here, you know, man, me I tell you, you know, and twist things. Probably the woman could have say some girl or some woman and you only say the woman say. Yes, because really and truly you have the careless girl them out there, you know. When I have no time for them yard, no, they all them just come in and titivate up and gone. Come them all a little sleep, titivate up, them gone. So we really know that when I have no time for wash and them sitting and them clothes pile up so in a bathroom and jars ice so like the ceiling. But no, Donna, come on. I bet only it say Donna somebody wash her jars them to rot. Better only it say that. Better only it say that. Anyway, continue.
Me is at 13. It must go down to 13.
Louisha, them depend, you know. The same man apologize to them. Listen, them are chatting.
Oh, the man I go out up there about you think the money that have at least around 4 or 5 of this money I watch him now.
Where's the Donna boy now keep?
Outside he been in the job. Keep a tall boss.
The same man this way, I see comfort, you know, from them, you know. Dirty Babisha. But I never know that live for here, Lorraine call him Babisha. My name, the name that I'm going to really stand out, you know. Babisha, Duisha, Baby Germs, Larry the Lizard.
I don't like the boy being for like my day, like a thing there. But I never see that bill get a super chat yet.
It's not like you follow him and them thing there. It's only when you scroll, you will see him and you might. Come on. You never stop denying when you're watching the people, them, especially people like you, where after watch you carry news to Lorraine or whoever platform you associate yourself with. You do watch the man. Because if you're going to say you never seen him get a super chat yet, it's not like me, I watch him. So you expect, say, each time you scroll, you want to be lucky to see a super chat company page. Not saying them get it, you know. But to all my tell lie, just all listen to them lie. Say them now watch him, man. What you want to say? Every time you scroll, you just scroll past. And in scrolling past, you expect to see super chat. You have to watch him, man, if you know say him not getting a super chat. Because it's not like say as you click on the page, super chat come up. So you watch the man. If you're going to say you never see him. But just because you don't want it to look like you're watching, you're going to say you're not really watching is when you scroll past. So all you're going to say if him get super chat. But yet still you say you never see him get a super chat yet. You watch the man, man. But at that to reach him, because I'm not seek validation from you know. Him want a company enough to come out against Donna.
If you have respect for your mother, man, because
Donna is not his mother. Don't come out here but have respect for mother. And you denounce him. Say Lorraine, he must say Lorraine I'm auntie, but Lorraine is not him auntie. Why you denounce Lorraine? Lorraine is more him auntie than her mother, man. Donna is not his mother.
Mother don't.
respect him, mother, man.
$100. And him wicked enough and don't tell him mother sorry for him do everything, you know. So when I deal with him mother suffer.
And I seek help from you, don't.
Boss, boy, I don't know,
And I
boss.
seek help from you for dealing with them mother.
Yeah.
The person who call him mother.
Oh
shit. Oh, Uno man. Nah, house. Why don't you come down? Come down. Why don't you come down? Why don't you come down? Why don't you sit up here? Sitting up here, why don't you? Come down, man. Let's all come down.
Happy, don't ever. Don't ever put up. No, I'm not put up on it. Don't ever. One time, no? One time.
Speaker call you now.
Bobby.
You saw the video get nice. I mean, I want to not skip a video, you know. I want to just listen up.
Bobby. Bobby. Where mute life for? What on there?
People see the video released on the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Cook some steam fish, you know, and mountain give back. So I'm going to check out the video on the backup channel. Put 2 snapper in a pot with some Irish and pumpkin and steam barrel. Bammy. I'm going to listen now, yes sir. It moved from 0 to 110. I'm going to listen now.
So what kind of tax she tell people say she pay? Secondly, me not understand one thing. Donna say God, the way she talk about our God is like our God protect her from everything that is wrong. So all fear God never tell her say the bottom of the cake pan them couldn't hold the cake couldn't hold the cake
Everything
extra.
we Donna say
When
and
me
do them
bottom
make
of
take
cake
it make
pan.
content, you know. And say Donna and them
She
God.
said she do a live and she said
Donna no,
she
it's
buy
not to no
some
God,
cake
but
pan at the
everything wanna
dollar
take make
store.
content.
You rotted. What is? You never hear it. Me chief,
Anywhere the
that what
laughing you
happened
come
to it?
from, you know soon hear
Listen,
sorrow.
she said she bought some cake pans at the dollar store. Mm.
It's coming,
She
people.
said it looked like a glue, them
On the
glue in
back
the
down for
bottom of the
laugh and
cake
drink
pan.
little water.
And when the
Get little water in the car, now go
when
laugh.
she put the cake in the oven, I guess the heat from the oven melt the glue. What them put in at the bottom of the, what them glue the bottom of the cake pan with, and the mixture what she put in at the...
You know what I love? Everything Donna say, I wanna take you run with it. Man say come out here enough time and say she said things for we run with it. Lie. But enough time, Donna said things, but how she say it and bring it across, I wanna take it and run with it the other way. Yes, man. Because of how she bring it across and how she say it. Sometimes she add fear a little opinion towards it. Because if me go so boom and me go buy the phone, yeah. And by the time I buy the phone, remember your bed is somewhere soft and cushion. I'm go so boom and throw the phone on the bed. And when me look, me see the whole phone open up so. Me I go say yes the phone, it mash up already and probably I glue the phone. Me just say that as just my opinion because how me throw the phone on my bed. And I grung me throw it. And the phone just open up like I grung me throw it. And then now only just take that and run with it. I just sit like Donna and then I who say it. If somebody else it say that about the pan them, you don't hear it. You don't even talk about it.
And it was a mess. Oh Lord.
Mountain shopping, you know. Give back.
When I live that day. When I live that day. Oh God.
Shopping for the mountain to give back.
What are they? Wrong move. Certain things they don't, but tell that already.
In a shop or the shopping,
Certain
you
things
know.
they don't buy at dollar store. Wrong move. You want cake pan, I better you got Walmart go buy them. You know the power biscuit them coming sometimes I buy them pan and take out the biscuit and wash it out and use them. Wrong move. Years ago when my mother traveled and come back, them pan that she used to use and bake. Yeah, wrong move. Dollar store you go buy them look pretty pan. Them look pretty pan that when you done bake, you put the cake in it. And don't let them pretty. Me tell you, say, Donna betray brokenness, you know.
Follow her up. Cause you're going to buck your toe.
Yeah, what Donna said.
You're going to buck your toe behind her. Have a heart failure. Honest wait. It's coming. And I'm not we're gone already. It's a come.
And target have 3 masks for $9.99. Donna said she wear about the cloth one. When you look at the cloth one, don't take because she never go buy the mask for 3. So all Donna kept all of them pamper honeymoon for $500 each get. That don't make sense. But you know what I am seeing? Donna sat in Jamaica and cursed people in America. Especially she was directed it at one specific person, but when she talked about people in America stagnant. So I don't understand how this billionaire leave from Jamaica, because your billionaire is supposed to have US dollars in your bank account too.
What money now have no value America? Jamaica it have value.
So stagnant that
put it that way there. What money now have no value America? Jamaica it have value. That's why.
What them do yesterday, Super Bowl. And the way them are make nice, you have to go sit down on the balcony.
So something wrong with that? Something wrong with that?
Good.
When your friend have to go down in the basement to chat to Uno, you know, say something wrong with that and left our man up there with him half dead something, lie down in a bed.
You might not agree with me with this, but me will say it still. Because this is just my opinion. Me not think, honestly, for me, I think the other baker girl, Tina, have every right to say what she said. Because honestly, the way the plank, I don't like her, and I look for a friend from her, but the way they did her,
Oh, she a baking her kitchen.
Yeah, she not in a position. She not in a position because she said she do it to other people. She do it to me. She send them come on my yard. Go and tell them say me a bakery running on my yard. So that part that Donna baking at your house.
People say no, Laura, but
Baking at your house. Tina go look for her mum and her pitney them. She too bad mind.
opinion. Like I say, me and she are a friend, but
I don't care. Tina wicked. Tina send them come on me yard. But me a bakery running on me yard. But Tina boy, she not in a position. But we said Donna not
From
be
0 to
baking her yard.
120.
you got all your opinion and me I got all mine. Me not say she do what she do right. Me just I say, for the way them did do her when she did start,
They should have hang her up.
she wrong for the way she do
They
things.
should have hang her. No, me should have said her tongue come out her red.
Just think she have every right to talk. But anyway, moving on.
I should have said Tina tongue come out her red right now. Oh. And that's all me feel about
0
that
to
girl,
120,
by just
boy.
hearing her name, Michelle, if every ear turn up in her head.
Alright, calm down, calm down.
Hey.
Move on from that. Move on
Right
from
now,
that.
Lorraine want a water truck to calm her down.
You know what my
No
Tina
glass of
house
water.
went today? Donna bake a 100 cake in her house, make sure go
Here
ahead.
all the voice I go. She want a truck with a water, not a glass.
I just give my opinion.
Opinion. You never know when it's gonna reach you. You never know so this is gonna reach you, me shit brother, but you speaker. You speak too much. Speaker, you speak too much. You never know you're gonna get your boss angry.
We not have to get upset. I just gave my honest opinion. That's my opinion.
What should do to my grand pitney? Put him on that trauma. Yeah?
Lord.
Hey,
Lord.
when you call Tina name, you not even like no one do to me. Oh,
Yeah, but now let's see you put this in
I will back Donna 100 times.
No, we don't want you back with. Just go and deal with Tina, but no back with.
Move on from this one now.
No move on. We still a stay right here, so. You started. We are stay right here, so. You never know, say turn back blood like a reach you dirty Michelle.
What kind of tax she pay in America?
Come again now, Lorraine. Turn back blood reach you dirty Michelle.
Donna, you know, in this country,
You try justify things and bring in Tina. You feel like Lorraine don't she gonna take a sip of water, she gonna grease the throat, she coming back. Turn back blow reach you, Michelle.
That business was in your name.
You Lorraine drink the water there. Listen up back here.
Jamaica, and you call people stagnant, and you come here now and you're the epitome of stagnancy.
A lie.
Right?
A lie. Mr. Wacky keeping it jiggy.
So you calm down.
Calm down. Calm down. Mr. Wacky keeping it jiggy. A lie.
What am my opinion? Them say who feels it knows it. Tina wicked. She come out to talk about, oh, people stalk our kids then. When Tina in a munching
Turn
box
back
like
blow
a
reach
dog.
you, me shit, brother. And Donna, you come for done.
What you doing a
Take
munching
it.
box? Tina go look for your mama and your pitney and ring them. What?
Donna, you come for done, me shit.
Alright, Lord,
Yes,
calm
man.
down.
Alright, Lord, calm down. Anna, calm down. Calm up.
Can't forget what that girl do to my grandson. And do to me.
Turn back blow, man. At least you call turn back blow, you know.
Donna bake her cake in her house. She too bad mind and thief. If she not deliver the people them cake, she not have business. She too ready eye.
God, God.
Calm down, man. Calm
Go
down.
see
Let
how
me
the
say,
bleaching
you
get
have
ready.
right to your opinion. Calm down.
Go see how the thing get ready.
You know my husband could have been in the bar stood there. Michelle, I wrong thing you come do. Wrong thing, wrong move.
Turn back blow this a day. Turn back blow. Turn back blow. Turn back blow.
Cannot get none.
Alright, stop now. Calm
Donna no
down.
wanna pass on you anyway.
Calm
When you
down.
have your opinion, wait till you go over Babisha. No putty ass a team, no mercy.
When you have your opinion, wait till you go over Babisha. So let me ask a question. Babisha start keep life too? He start keep life? Me no know me ask. Cause remember me no watch them and follow them. You know. When me say me no watch them and follow them, me no watch them and follow them. You don't know how long me no listen to Lorraine. You know, say somebody reach out and send me it. Say it and ask me if me see it and me say, no. She said, Lord Jesus. Whoa. Lorraine and me shit brother not seeing eye to eye. in a statement that Bradshaw make. Me say, which part there? Send me the link, cause me couldn't bother go search. And then me I said, Jesus, peace, 1 5 6 hour live now if you go find out. So be the case, the person said check between right here so and this so. And you will hear majority of the party me I tell you about. But if you want to see how the whole thing start, just go listen from the top. Somebody start listen from the top and me hear she talk about the Donna, this and the spice and the rare where me have to cut out some. And when me find that party, I say, Jesus Christ, me have to cut it out. Just make the video too long, me cut out some of that part because that never relevant. At that party, I me really want to hear. Yes, man. You come for beat down Donna and join Lorraine. And never know say they turn back blow with you talking about Tina, this and Tina that did go trigger half. You trigger half Lorraine's sinus. You trigger half her niggeritis. You trigger half her blood pressure. You trigger half her this. The amount of things you trigger half when she have ailment for. You didn't even realize what you do to her. You don't realize a few minutes before she said she loves speaker, you know. And speaker come trigger her off.
You put it in the heading. You
put it to tell them Satina bad man and no good. No good name to her. None.
Right. Bad name me a give her in the heading, but you want to come get a good name. Yeah. Feel like say that we get side with because you want to tear down Donna. Where?
Alright, Lorraine, calm down now.
Calm down.
If I never see it,
Calm down. We don't calm to calm down right now. No, calm down under there for now.
Calm down.
Catch you tomorrow. I have a Uber.
Stop.
I have a Uber. And that's a J-O-B. I play the fifth.
You know, say if I never see you putting on the caption, I wouldn't say anything.
Why? You don't say it because you come with the intention to come tear down Donna. And that you come with the intention to tear down Donna. Turn back blow reach about leave that alone.
You don't know here? Very easy. I will never get a pass. Never ever.
Never.
That judge me can't get a pass. After me put my family them life on the line for that drunk crow. And as she come to take away my family them from me. And beside that she does have to say she send the people them come about me a baking in my house. She too wicked. And bad mind.
Alright, you calm down now?
No. No, we don't calm down. Yeah, man. All when the video done, me no calm down.
You think of the plank of them do me that? The plank of them are drunk crowd whilst in my grave and me understand that. And them supposed to do me that.
But you never did expect it from Tina, don't it? Yeah! You never expect it from Tina.
Lorraine, if you don't want, honestly, if you don't want our name mentioned or anything, then just leave her alone. Don't talk about her. Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
Come out from Plaza. She right in a position.
No, but I'm saying to you, if I didn't see you put her name in the caption, I would not have mentioned it. If I didn't know, say you'd have get some.
No, man. Once you ever use it for different shape to bring down Donna, you will always have to use it.
Alright.
Millie was innocent. When she automated, when she have the state take with me baby. That's something to your pass. You're crazy.
No.
Liquor in her face.
Hey, mother.
Lord, if you talk
Really, mother want to see that day there. You know, hear me talk about this, say, I want to see a woman buck her. Mother really want to see that day there. I want to buck up one day, but I want to open camera out. Because as bad as thing be, me I give her the edge. Me I give her the edge. Because her look like a more ragamuffin than Tina. Tina on the mouth. Yes, and too, she I used the mouth long time in a dance hall. She just see like say yes. Her mouth is her strength.
upset you like this, but I am saying to you, if it's going to upset you like this, if
Make
I
sure
didn't
camera
see you
ready
put
when
her
you no
name
buck
in the
up.
caption,
Cause me
I would
want
When I
see
put it in the
it
caption, me
viral.
never say she's a darling. Me never
No,
say
but
that.
no, when you put your name in the caption, Lorraine, it is open to different to anybody to have them opinion. Me
Not
say
you.
you're right or wrong.
Not you.
Me tell you about that drunk
I
club.
don't say
Me
you
have
are
nothing good
wrong.
for say a bad mind better come out.
I don't say
The
you're
two of
wrong.
them were done
Anyway,
left
you
a
speak.
bake a mother to drunk club.
Lorraine,
And
calm
all she do
down.
is take people money and go sport. That dog shit.
Lorraine, calm down. Me not say you're not right for feel the
Lorraine,
way
you
you
turn
She said if she
C.
come out for Christmas,
She
come
just
out
a tell
come
you to
class.
calm,
If she come
calm,
out for
calm,
Donna,
calm,
come out
calm,
come
calm,
class.
calm. You
Everybody
see?
should come out and feel like come out come class. She not in a position.
Lorraine, Lorraine, calm down. I am not saying you don't have
Calm
the
down,
right to
C.
feel how you
Lorraine, I
are
must see you
feeling.
tell her to
I
calm.
am simply saying you're running a show, and from you put our name in the caption, not everybody is going to say no, she's not supposed to come out, come talk. Because at the end of the day, I understand how you feel, but at the end of the day, all I am saying is they demonize her. So even if she come out and say what she say, if you know want we go there with it, leave it alone. Make them talk about it then. But from you put her name in the caption, you must expect that other people are gonna have their opinion as well. I understand why you
But
are
when you are
upset.
so close,
And
you
you have a
supposed to
right
know
to be
say she
upset.
no want to hear
So you know
nothing
come
good
out
talk
and come
about
tell her
Tina.
Tina
Where?
Trina
You're
wicked.
not an excuse.
She know that cake is not my living. And she send the people them come at me yard. Oh, me a big bakery I run. Tina go look for them. Hey, that's how you don't know. Tina wicked.
When you pass through the
I
Bronx
bet
or
that
one
she
of them
know what
places, the
Donna
New
left to
Jersey,
send
one
them
idea,
there
say if
to.
you
She
see
too
her.
bad mind. That's why she not there no way.
Lorraine, I don't disagree with you the fact with what you're saying. All I am simply saying to you, you put your
Yeah,
name
People
in
them
bad.
the
me come here.
Yeah,
And
bad.
see cake. Maybe them that come find me. Me say what cake
Me
I'm
want to see
selling.
she act up back against
Me I
Lorraine, you know,
sell
make me see the
cake.
outcome, you know.
See me eat a surfeit ticket
But
them
she's
here,
smart.
sir and ma'am. And
She's
walk
smart.
come me come here. Me
Me
no
want
get
she
drugs.
react back to it, how
One
Lorraine
year,
talk
go
and
look
I
for
say.
drugs. Them convict her for
But she's
drugs.
smart, she
All drugs
restrain
rule.
herself.
When miserable prison mother.
Cause if she did ever react back, it would get out of hand. All she did on
Prison
calm
mother
down, calm
her.
down,
So
calm
she
down.
not like the
React
prison.
back, man.
She not like the people who are actually.
Open your pumps and your
Because she
pride like
think
you
we
don't
get
normally do
drugs
and
like
react.
her.
I would not have said anything.
Let
She
me see
think
where I
we
go
get
on.
drugs like her.
Cause screen recorded out here, you know,
The
so it
reason why
couldn't
I said
delete.
something was because you put your name in the caption. And when me I said to
Your
you,
voice gets
when me I
small
said
though.
to you, if it's still
Big
illicit,
bad
these
Michelle,
feelings within
voice
you,
gets small.
then leave, when she come out, come do her things, don't put her name. You want to talk about her, then you
Anytime I walk class, I'm a class, I'm Michelle. You can't tell me don't
No,
do
I
it.
am not saying you was a class.
And when nobody call your name, you don't let them go, Michelle. You don't let them go. Oh.
When Queen Bee call your name,
calm down,
you know, let her go.
Ah, let me tell you, you don't let them go. So let me express myself. Leave me, let me express myself. You know what could have happened to my grandchild? Eh? Anytime she come up in nobody, me I come out, come class her. She go, wait.
Express yourself, but if we're having a civil discussion, when you
No, we
put her
can't.
name in the caption, whether I like her or not, I think I should be allowed to state my opinion with the name in
You're
the
supposed to
caption
know where your
without it
boss
get
like
here.
from what she not
I
like.
am
Where?
understanding that you are upset, rightfully so. Rightfully so, because I have defended you against
People,
Tina.
Tina wicked.
I have
When
defended
Tina
you
said the state not take my grand pitney,
We know that, Lorraine.
Tina send the state back here. So me a bake a whole heap of cake and sell.
We know that, Lorraine. This is why I am
You
saying.
hear? So no good name never come here. So I never Donna send them. It wasn't a Donna send them.
Lorraine, again, never said to you. I am saying this to you as a friend. Okay? I am saying this to you. If her name elicit this kind of anger in you that we are sure and we can get a different opinion, leave her name alone when she come out and do her things. Leave it
No,
alone.
if we talk about Queen Bee, you got to start cause Queen Bee.
Right.
Oh Lord, me ask you to
And she gonna tell you, say, Lord, me Lorraine, let me talk, let me talk. Give me 2 minutes, let me done talk. True.
Let me style Tina.
True.
Tina wicked. Queen Bee not doing not know half as what Tina done.
Lorraine, I am not saying no, you're still missing the
And
point.
Queen Bee not doing half what Tina should do.
Lorraine, we're not about Queen, we're not talking about Queen B. You put her name in the caption and say she not to say no.
No, me tell you, sir.
saying,
Me tell you, human be react different, Michelle.
Anyway, people, it is so long and it's on and on because she a try to calm Larry not calm. The lizard just a crawl, go away so. No calming of the lizard right now till tomorrow or later. Anyways, people mind people bless upon herself because when me really do want to see, me do want she go up in her high voice how she used to go on and tat and go on like she a big bad somebody, Yes man, then it's a chigga Lorraine some more and then probably we don't know what that happen. But she control and restrain herself because she know what possible to happen. You don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV, and favorite it. Remember the cash app is there, $ Charms and Trends. When you give me, I used to give back to the needy. And the backup channel, the link in the comment section also. And remember, check out the merch them. Caps and t-shirt and the website of charmsandtrend.shop. Or the Instagram page, you can go on it. Charmed_and_trends on Instagram. Anything you see, you get it customized. Drop it in the DM or go straight to the website and make a purchase. Charmsandtrend.shop. Right. Alright? Bless up on yourself. Hold it more of this to come out, And it will get worse and worse. So no go and watch Donna. Go and watch Donna. Yeah? Donna go and surprise you. We're going to hear say someone up on our live are faint. We don't see where it going to happen. Because just feel like say yes, you can program people, and when you program people, I want to see, you go see. Peace out.